Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Anima Prestige Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the magnet that goes in here was not detecting whenever the lid was closed. So we ended up resetting it and just putting it back together, and now you can see it's working. It's working perfectly. We're gonna test it out later. In the meantime, I want to show you this part over here. We pretty much deep clean the infuser, as you can see right now, and pretty much all that area which was previously like this. And as you can see, there was a lot of mold, build that coffee, and it was pretty dirty, let's say. But we clean it up and it's ready to go. We also deep cleaned the around the grinder. There was a lot of coffee, especially around here. There was a lot of some kind of mold around it as well, and there were coffee bean grounds below the tank as well. So we give a good cleaning to this machine. So starting with one espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. And just press the magnet, working perfectly fine. We also descale the machine, give a bunch of descale the machine and just wipe it all around it. Good color of espresso, and like I said, the magnet working perfectly fine. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.